Rhinoceros are a symbol of endurance against overwhelming odds. These magnificent animals have massive bodies, thick skin, and powerful horns, making them one of nature's most impressive mammals. These majestic creatures can weigh between 1,800 to 5,000 pounds depending on the species. In the wild, rhinoceroses can live up to 40-50 years, can reach lengths of about 10 to 13 feet from head to tail, with a height of up to 6 feet at the shoulder. Despite their impressive size, rhinos are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, leaves, and fruits. They communicate through a variety of sounds and have fascinating social structures. It is well said, "Have the heart of a child, but the skin of a rhinoceros." Conservation efforts are crucial to protecting these endangered animals. A heart-rending example is the northern white rhinoceros, which has only 2 known individuals left in Africa.